Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with Redact Rampage MT truck. I just put the rear casters on, aluminum, right in there. Rear one tub, left and right. Just put these on the arms, and I just put the front arms too, and the steering aluminum too. That one too, of course. I'm almost done with it. Still gotta get the steering part aluminum, but for that one it's done. I had this. Where's the tire? Where's the tire? There it is. I had these Poison HD rims on it, and that's what happened. It's got so much power that it pumped the tire up with the inner liner foam. It's got the Castle, of course, AS 2028. There we go. 2028 motor. This is the one that I had to replace the rear ring from the differential 3 times because it kept breaking it in the first and second runs. So now it's running good. I did a little more modifications on it. I had to put some spacer between the pinion and just little tiny little skinny washers, so I have no space on it. It's between that and the ring, but it's running pretty damn good, and it looks really awesome. And this is the X Chimera. It's the XB now, so this one has this. I just wanted to make a 6S because it had that system over here. So I bought that. Keep heating up. I had to cancel that and buy the new XLX. It runs really good. It's the same as this one here. It's the same as that one, XL2, but it's the XLX. I guess it's the next model of it from Castle. Also an AS, and with the Leopard Hobby, the 5692 1090 kV motor. It had. I have a 6S for now because I'm not sure if it will handle. I'm not sure if we handle 8AS. I gotta look at that. This is just the battery for the fans, for that fan, and these fans. High-speed fans. You can't beat that. It's got the 3S 35C 5000s with the beans. I just made these. Runs pretty good too. I got some tires coming for this. I'm gonna take these out. These are 23 millimeters, and I just got these 24 millimeter X from, I think it's a Vergaro 24 millimeter X adapters. And it comes with the pins. These pins, but I'm waiting on the tires. I'm waiting on tires. So I'll be getting them for in about a couple days. So, alright guys. Let me know if you like it. Comment on it. See what you think of it. I put a lot into this. A lot of time, a lot of money, and hope you like it. It runs really good. I mean, with these tires, they make like pizza cutters. Probably change those too, and put these over here. These are the slicks. I also got the tarmac. I also got those, but probably put these on slicks. So that's gonna be on this one. By the way, it's got the 4S each 35 Cs. I gotta make this 50 Cs instead of the 35. They're 4S, but I gotta make this 50 Cs. You know, just to have a little more power or whatever. There's a little battery here. Is for the fans. It's a 2S battery from Trinergy. See it right there. Also powering just the let me see. Sorry guys. There you go. You're turning those. You're turning the high-speed fans. Wild turbo fans. I really recommend those. These are the 40 by 40 millimeter. So let me see what else I can say about it. The chassis. That's like a film. It's like a. I know I said it on the other video. It's like a carbon fiber film on it, sticky film, all the way in just the top though. Came out really good. I had to take the whole thing off, just the plain chassis, and that way I could put all that film on it. But anyway, if you like it, let me know. If not, if you think there's something that is missing on it, besides the steering casters, I think they're called steering casters, something like that. Let me know. Besides that, I'm getting the diff aluminum cases, front and rear, but they're really expensive right now. They're about $80 a pop, and yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. So for these are, you know, they're okay. For now, they're okay. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Remember, this used to be the Chimera E Pro. This one used to do 73.1 miles per hour with that system on this one. But I kept popping the tires, just the rear ones for some reason, and I changed them like 10 times and kept doing the same thing. So even with the slicks over there, with these slicks, I put those on the XVE right now. Then I just converted to XVE from Chimera, and it still kept popping them. So I just, you know what? I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna change it back. You know, let's 6S and see what happens with this motor. It's got the 15 pinion with the stock 41. I think it's 41 or 42. But what gets me is the new Castle Creation ESC XLX. The new one comes with 4 more crossovers, like 2 on each side, under the original ones that are on top. There's 2 more here on the bottom and 2 more here on the other side. I don't know what's all that about, but I guess instead of us putting them over here, they did it themselves in Castle. That way they don't have no problems, I guess, returning them. I don't know. So that's something they came out with. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Oh, another thing, I had to get the 8.0 connectors on this because they had the 6 and they didn't want to fit the motor ones, so I got the 8.0 from Cancel connectors. Alright guys, if you like the video, let me know. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.